Airplanes. They're more than just a mode of transport. They're titans of the sky, true marvels of human ingenuity. But have you ever paused to consider what it actually takes to build one of these airborne giants? To witness a raw piece of metal transform into a colossal, soaring machine. The sheer scale of planning, the cutting-edge technology, and the incredible human dedication involved would genuinely astound you. In this video, we're taking you on an immersive journey from concept to first flight, revealing every intricate step of how an aircraft is born. Our story begins deep within a massive fabrication plant, the birthplace of an aircraft's core structure. It starts with the fuselage, the main body of the plane. Then come the tail sections, and finally the intricate cockpit. These foundational components aren't crafted from just any material. We're talking about aerospace-grade metals, alloys that are not only incredibly light, but possess immense strength. This lightweight design is paramount, as every ounce saved translates into greater fuel efficiency and extended flight range, allowing these magnificent machines to traverse vast distances on less fuel. Once these massive individual sections are meticulously constructed, they embark on a journey to the assembly factory. Transporting components of this magnitude is no small feat. Specialized cargo trains are often employed, carefully carrying sections that stretch for dozens of feet. And for greater distances or truly enormous parts, it's not uncommon to see colossal cargo planes, yes, planes, carrying parts of one aircraft to be ferried across continents inside another gargantuan cargo plane. Regular roads and rails simply can't handle such dimensions. As each section arrives at its designated bay, the monumental task of bringing them together begins. Here, powerful hydraulic machines capable of effortlessly maneuvering multi-ton structures swing into action. But these mechanical aids are just part of the equation. Highly skilled engineers with years of experience work with breathtaking precision, ensuring every single seam, every connection fits with absolute perfection. The fuselage, tail, and cockpit are fused, forming the recognizable silhouette of an aircraft. Next comes arguably the most critical installation, the wings. These aren't merely aerodynamic extensions, they are the heart of flight. Within their robust structure lie the powerful engines, the voluminous fuel tanks, and the complex hydraulic systems essential for controlling the aircraft in the air. Without its wings, an airplane is just a heavy, grounded shell. The design, construction, and most importantly, the attachment of these wings are executed with the utmost vigilance and accuracy. And then the true muscle of the aircraft, its engines. This is where flight becomes reality, where the sheer power to lift thousands of tons into the sky is generated. There is zero compromise on quality here. Each engine is a masterpiece, assembled within its own dedicated, sterile environment. Every component is measured, fitted, and calibrated to an almost unbelievable degree of perfection. But even after assembly, an engine doesn't go straight to the plane. It faces a grueling trial by fire. Inside a specialized, heavily controlled test chamber, the engine is fired up, pushed to full throttle. Technicians meticulously monitor every parameter: noise levels, internal temperatures, vibration frequencies. If even the slightest anomaly is detected, that engine is rejected, sent back for reevaluation or complete dismantling. Only engines that pass this brutal test with 100% perfection earn their place beneath the wing of an aircraft. Finally, the aircraft receives its vital connection to the ground, the landing gear. These might appear to be just wheels, but their engineering is incredibly sophisticated. Packed within are heavy-duty shock absorbers, intricate hydraulic pins, and robust braking systems. When a multi-thousand-pound aircraft descends from the sky to touch down, these gears absorb an immense impact. Fitting these components is another task demanding absolute precision, as even a minor misalignment could lead to catastrophic failure. With all the critical systems, wings, engines, landing gear, flawlessly installed, it's time for the aircraft's exterior transformation. First, multiple layers of high-grade polish are applied, creating that iconic, shimmering, smooth finish. Then begins the art of painting. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about identity. The airline's name, its distinctive logo, even national insignias are meticulously rendered, transforming the plane into a flying billboard that represents its owner and origin. With the exterior complete, attention shifts to the interior. This is where passenger comfort takes shape. Every single seat, every luggage compartment, every overhead bin for carry-ons is strategically placed and securely fitted. Once everything is in its perfect position, the mighty aircraft is towed onto the runway. Its engines roar to life for the very first time, undergoing a final battery of ground tests. Only after clearing every last check does this magnificent machine receive its clearance to soar. Its maiden voyage begins, and the world welcomes another true king of the skies.